Step into the mystical realm of Dragon Cat leather, where the artistry, innovation, and captivating stories behind our one-of-a-kind leather creations are waiting to be unveiled. Join us as we embark on a journey into the heart of crafting adventures, where creativity seamlessly intertwines with craftsmanship. Today, let's delve into the enchanting world of Dragon Cat leather. As passionate leather artisans, we are thrilled to share the intricate artistry, groundbreaking innovation, and the mesmerizing stories woven into each of our unique creations. Hi, I'm Philip, and I'll guide you through the highlights of our journey in the year 2023, beginning with Michigan Nordic Fire Festival, our first show, and concluding with the grand finale at the Texas Renaissance Festival, our last event of the year. Get ready to be immersed in the magic of Dragon Cat leather. As the days gradually lengthen and the weather starts to warm, the festival offers a refreshing escape outdoors. Attendees can engage in a range of activities, from spear throwing to enjoying the delightful selection of local beers and meads. The event creates a lively atmosphere where families and friends come together to revel in the spirit of winter and share memorable experiences. With its inception in 2016, the Michigan Nordic Fire Festival has become a cherished tradition, drawing people to celebrate the beauty of winter, the warmth of community, and the thrill of outdoor festivities. It has established itself as a welcoming space for all, fostering a sense of connection and joy during the winter months. The setup for the Michigan Nordic Fire Festival took place on a Friday, running from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Jeanette and I arrived at the park around 2 p.m., and the setup process was efficiently carried out. The festival officially kicked off at 5 p.m. on Friday, creating an exciting atmosphere that continued until 11 p.m. On Saturday, the Michigan Nordic Fire Festival had extended hours, running from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., providing attendees with a full day of festivities. The festival also offered entertainment and activities on Sunday, operating from 10 a.m. One notable aspect of the Michigan Nordic Fire Festival was the diverse array of vendors, showcasing a mix of talented individuals and unique offerings. The event served as a platform for these vendors to display their crafts, adding to the overall richness of the festival experience. The festival proved to be a successful venture. Following the positive trend of previous shows, the combination of well-organized setup, engaging activities, and a vibrant vendor scene contributed to making the Michigan Nordic Fire Festival another enjoyable and fruitful experience. Our next show is the Medieval Fair in Norman, Oklahoma. The Medieval Fair is an annual event steeped in tradition since 1977. Is a living history fair that brings the kingdom to life with an array of mirth, merriment, and a vibrant tapestry of medieval wonders. Step back through the annals of time and immerse yourself in a day of revelry at the illustrious medieval fair. Witness the grand spectacle featuring kings, queens, knights, and fools, all contributing to the enchanting ambiance. The fair offers a plethora of educational exhibits, arts, crafts, delectable food, entertaining games, captivating demonstrations, and continuous performances across 7 stages. Roam through the medieval village, boasting over 200 art and craft booths laden with unique, handcrafted treasures. Explore an eclectic array of offerings from pottery, wood crafts, stained glass, and armor to costumes, fairy wings jewelry, leather crafts, hair garlands, and much more. Marvel at the skill of master crafters as they demonstrate their artistry. The weekend at the Medieval Fair unfolded against the backdrop of truly extraordinary weather conditions. High wind warnings persisted throughout, setting an adventurous tone right from the start. The initial setup on Thursday had to be postponed due to the challenging wind conditions, highlighting the commitment to safety. Undeterred by the whims of the weather, the resilient team forged ahead with setup on Friday, braving the elements to create an enchanting atmosphere. While Friday's opening was not mandatory due to the ongoing high wind advisory, it added an air of anticipation to the unfolding spectacle. Saturday brought its own set of challenges, with the wind claiming several displays and tents, a testament to the forces of nature that organizers and participants gracefully navigated. The dedication to providing a memorable experience for attendees remained unwavering. As the weekend reached its crescendo, Sunday's severe storms brought about a temporary closure of the park, emphasizing the paramount importance of safety. Despite these unforeseen weather-related obstacles, the fair persevered, showcasing the indomitable spirit of all involved. In the face of nature's unpredictability, the medieval fair became a tale of resilience, determination, and the enduring magic that can only be found in the midst of the unpredictable elements. Our next event was Asheville Viking Festival. Celebrate the arrival of spring in style at the annual Vikings Day Festival in Asheville, Ohio, an event that seamlessly blends fun, education, and family-friendly entertainment. Nestled in the picturesque Asheville Park near the heart of the village and the elementary school, this festival invites attendees to contribute canned food items, serving as both tickets to the event and a charitable gesture towards the local food pantry. It's an opportunity not just for enjoyment, but also for giving back to the community, as the entrance donations help sustain the nearby food bank for months. The Vikings Day Festival boasts a vibrant atmosphere with 45 to 60 vendors, a dedicated team of volunteers, and a host of knowledgeable reenactors who bring history to life. Centered around a magnificent 40-foot Viking ship stage, the event unfolds over a brief yet captivating weekend in Asheville Park. What sets this festival apart is the array of handmade goods offered by vendors, creating a unique shopping experience where you'll discover treasures found nowhere else. Despite the challenging weather conditions, the show must go on. The persistent rain turned the fields into a muddy terrain, creating an unexpected backdrop for our event. Unfortunately, the attendance didn't meet our expectations, but we were determined to make the best of the situation. Setting up on Friday, we faced the elements with resilience, and despite the weather, we secured a corner booth to showcase our unique creations. Navigating through the muddy fields, we were ready to welcome visitors and share our passion for craftsmanship, even if the weather had other plans. In May, we did 2 weekends at Southern Indiana Renaissance Fair. Since its inception in 2021, the Southern Indiana Renaissance Fair has proudly operated as a benevolent guild under the esteemed decree of 501c3, dedicating its unwavering efforts to the enrichment of young minds. Our noble quest centers around the bestowal of scholarships upon the scholarly youth within our local academies, with a special focus on those ambitious seniors who aspire to elevate their understanding in the realms of history and arts entertainment. Infused with a profound sense of pride, we meticulously channel the spirit of education through vibrant demonstrations of ancient crafts, each skillfully imbued with a touch of modern ingenuity. Beyond being lively celebrations, the fairs we host stand as the lifeblood sustaining our esteemed 500 Honesty cause. We warmly invite you to join us in this noble journey, where we actively bridge the past and present, fostering the growth of knowledge and creativity for generations to come. Underneath the canvas of our oaken foot tent, we eagerly set up camp on a Friday, immersing ourselves in the enchanting atmosphere of the Southern Indiana Renaissance Fair. Across 2 weekends, our trusty tent became not just a shelter, but a cozy haven where each night brought tales of camaraderie and shared laughter. As the dawn each fair day emerged, Southern Indiana Renaissance Fair unfolded before us like a vibrant tapestry. In the marketplace, adorned with a diverse array of vendors, revealed a captivating mix of talent and unique offerings. Each booth, a testament to the creativity and craftsmanship of individuals, added to the overall richness of the festival experience. After the final curtain call and the echoes of merriment faded, we undertook the bittersweet task of teardown, bidding farewell to the fair that had become a temporary home. Yet our journey was far from over. With hearts still brimming with the spirit of the Renaissance, we eagerly headed towards the next adventure, the Kentucky Highland Renaissance Festival. In the lush embrace of former farmland and eminence, Kentucky, a portal to the past, was opened in 2005, giving birth to the Kentucky Highland Renaissance Festival. This timeless celebration unfolds within the fictional village of Briarwood, nestled in the highlands of Scotland during the early 14th century, precisely in the year 1320, when the indomitable Robert the Bruce held sway. This living tapestry, a journey through time, is strategically placed at the heart of a triangle formed by the cities of Louisville, Lexington, and Cincinnati. More than a mere event, the Kentucky Highland Renaissance Festival stands as a testament to the immersive power of history, being the first permanent Renaissance festival in the state of Kentucky. Its roots run deep, weaving a narrative that extends beyond mere weekends of revelry. In 2023, this living masterpiece expanded its enchantment to 8 weekends, further embracing the spirit of the Renaissance and inviting all to step into a bygone era of majesty and mirth. Anticipation filled the air on the eve of the opening weekend as we meticulously set up our realm on a Thursday, preparing to immerse ourselves in the enchantment of the Kentucky Highland Renaissance Festival. Our dedication to authenticity extended to both our camping tent and the splendid Oakenfoot tent, crafting a haven that echoed the spirit of times long past. Nature, in all its unpredictable glory, graced us with a season that was both wet and hot, providing a backdrop as dynamic as the tales woven into the fabric of the Renaissance. Undeterred by the whims of weather, the festival unfolded as a triumph, building on the positive momentum garnered from previous shows. The success of this venture wasn't merely a stroke of luck, but a testament to the thoughtful orchestration of our setup, the engagement of captivating activities, and the vivacity of the vendor scene. Together, these elements harmonize seamlessly to create yet another chapter of joy and prosperity at the Kentucky Highland Renaissance Festival, elevating the collective experience to new heights. The second installment promises a continuation of enchanting narratives, unveiling the magic that transpired throughout the year. Stay tuned for more mesmerizing moments, vibrant events, and the unveiling of extraordinary creations that define the essence of Dragon Cat leather. Your presence is not just anticipated, it's an essential thread woven into the fabric of our journey. Until then, prepare for a captivating sequel that promises to exceed expectations and leave an indelible mark on the canvas of our shared odyssey. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey into the world of Dragon Cat leather. Stay tuned for more episodes where we unravel the stories, techniques, and inspirations behind our creations. Don't forget to subscribe and explore the magic with us. Join the journey. Every 2 weeks, we will new blog and podcast. Stay connected with us. Follow us, subscribe on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, TikTok, YouTube, and our podcast. Your engagement matters. Like retweet, comment, and share our content. Embark on this creative odyssey with us, fellow adventurers. Until next time, may your imagination soar and your dreams are as boundless as the realms we explore. Stays enchanted and join us soon for more magical tales. Signing off with whimsy and wonder.